In this video, I want to show you how to add a choice activity. And a choice activity is not a graded item, but it's where you can poll students. You can ask one question and ask them, what reading do you want to do next? Or, we're all going to do some service learning projects. Which group do you want to be a part of? Let me show you how to create it. Your first step is to navigate to the site where you want to add the choice tool, and then go under the gear and turn editing on. Once editing is on, click Add an Activity or Resource. Select Choice, and then click Add. Here you have the ability to give the choice or the poll a name, and also to write a description. Down here under Options, you'll need to consider what works best for you. For example, do you want the choice to be updated or do you want to lock it down? Allow more than one choice to be selected, yes or no. I am going to check this item and make it yes. This limits how many people can pick a particular item. So for example, if I want them to sign up for group work and I want to limit the groups to 5, this is how I would do that. So I've entered the choices the students will make, and now I'm going to enter the limits. You can type in any number that you want. And you can also add more fields. Under availability, if there's a deadline, something you want them to meet, you should enable this and then select your date and also select the time. Results. This is also an important decision. Essentially, what do you want students to see and when do they get to see it? So the first option here is do not publish results to students, which means I get to see it as the teacher, but no one else does. If you click the toggle button, you have other options as well. Perhaps you want students to see after they've made a choice. Or you could do this one with after the poll is closed, then you get to see what people picked. You can also select this, always show results to students, and that can be a good option. If students are using this tool, you want them to identify groups they're going to be working with. They might make different choices based on who's going to be in the group. So if you want them to know who's already in the group before they choose, this is the way to do that. After you've made your choices about publishing the results, you should also look at this, the privacy. So it says publish anonymous results. So if I'm just asking a poll question, who would you vote for in an election, I might not want to attach names to that. But if I'm doing something like group work and I always want to show the results to students, then I may want to show the name. So it's going to attach a name to the choice. This is great for group work. When you're all done, just click Save and Display. So this is a brand new poll. People haven't made choices. So here I'm seeing a list of my students. None of them have made a choice yet. Once they do start choosing, you can click here to also view responses. And on this page, it gives you the ability to delete anything if there are choices you want to take out. And you can also delete individual responses. And you can also download to Excel if that's helpful. Thanks.